Hey everyone, welcome back to The Honest Mirror. I'm so happy to see you here again. Today, we're talking about two tiny words that confuse almost everyone. Yep, then and then. They look so similar, right? But trust me, once you understand the difference, it's super easy. Let's fix this once and for all. Okay, let's start with then. Then. We use then when we're talking about time or what happens next. Think of it like a story. First this, then that. I woke up, then I brushed my teeth. First, you woke up. After that, you brushed your teeth. We went to the mall, then we had lunch. See, it's a sequence, one thing after another. We also use then for showing results. If it rains, then we'll stay inside. The result of the rain is staying inside. And sometimes then means at that time. Back then, I didn't have a phone, meaning in the past. By then, everyone had already left. Then here means by that time. So, quick recap. Then means time, next, or result. Got it? Cool. Let's move on to then. Than, Than. We use than to compare two things. My coffee is stronger than yours. She's taller than her brother. This dress is prettier than that one. I'd rather walk than take the bus. So if you're saying something is more, less, better, worse, faster, slower, etc., you'll almost always use than. Then equals comparison. Easy peasy, right? Okay, let's look at some real mistakes people make. He's smarter than me. Wait, what? That's wrong because we're comparing. He's smarter than me. I'll call you then I get home. Nope, that's not comparison, that's time. I'll call you then I get home. See, just one little letter changes the meaning completely. All right, here's a fun trick to remember. Then means time. It's about when things happen. Then is about comparison. It's about how things compare. Simple. Let's practice a few more, okay? We had dinner, then we watched Netflix. Time. She's more confident than before. Comparison. Finish your work, then take a break. Time. It's colder today than yesterday. Comparison. If you're free, then come over. Time. You're doing great. Now, let's test you with a little quiz. I've got 10 quick sentences for you. You fill in the blank, and I'll tell you if you nailed it. Ready? Let's go. I'll see you. That's then. Perfect. It's about time. I'll see you then at the party. Nice start. My house is bigger. Exactly. Then. You're comparing, so it has to be then. My house is bigger than yours. Great job. This movie is better. That's an easy one. Then, we're comparing two movies. This movie is better than the last one. Nice work. We went to the shop. Yep. Then, one thing after another. We went shopping, then we came home. You're on a roll. If you're hungry, then right again. It's showing the result. If you're hungry, then let's eat. She's more patient. Then, exactly. You're comparing two people. Perfect. She's more patient than her sister. He's older. That's then. Nicely done. Comparison again. He's older than I thought. Finish your homework. Then, haha, my favorite kind of sentence. Do your homework first, then play. Priorities. Back. Then. Yep, we're talking about time in the past. Back then, I didn't have a smartphone. I'd rather sleep. Then, haha, totally relatable, right? You're comparing two choices. I'd rather sleep than study tonight. And that's all 10. How did you do? Got most of them right? You're smashing it. Got a few wrong? No worries. Just rewind this part and practice again. You'll definitely get it next time. If this video helped you, give it a big like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more fun English lessons right here on The Honest Mirror. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you then in the next video.